It's 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Friday, February 5th, in Baltimore County, Maryland. The newscasters are calling the storm the blizzard of 2010. People on Twitter are calling it Snowpocalypse, Snowmygod, and Snowmageddon. The parking lot, as you can see, is completely covered with snow at this point. Our earlier tapes have documented the progress. A few brave souls are adventuring out for groceries, trudging through the snow. It's cold and windy. The greatest concern of the National Weather Forecast Service is the blowing snow is impairing drivers' visions. When you combine impaired vision with the black ice that's present underneath the snow on the roadways, you've got very dangerous, deadly driving conditions. Most people are home at this time of night. Few lone stragglers are still talking about heading out to the bars and clubs in downtown Baltimore, in downtown Washington, D.C. But for the most part, there's only those few souls who are needing to make those short journeys. There's been several folks through on foot through the parking lots. There's been groups of ATVs. We'll try and get you a better picture so you can see the blowing snow. But the best place to see is if you look directly underneath the streetlights. That shows the large amount of snow blowing sideways. It's approximately 27 degrees outside. Snow is expected to continue through Sunday evening. We expect between 11 and 18 inches tonight. More to come tomorrow. We'll keep you posted. In the meantime, I'm Kae Davis for Cafe Cars. Follow us on Twitter and on YouTube at Cafe Cars.